Optimal mix ratios for Alpine WSG, Bifen IT, and Bifen XTS in a B&G sprayer vary by target pest and label instructions, so always follow the product label as the controlling authority. For Alpine WSG, mix at the label rates, which commonly range from 0.02 to 0.8 ounces per gallon of water depending on application type. Weigh the water volume you will use and slowly add the measured granules while agitating the tank so the product dissolves fully before spraying. For Bifen IT, typical concentrate rates run from 0.8 to 2.8 ounces per gallon for perimeter and general lawn applications, and higher labeled rates for severe infestations. Measure with a calibrated cup and pour the insecticide into the sprayer after filling the tank halfway, then finish filling and agitate to ensure suspension. Bifen XTS is an oil-based suspension concentrate and often mixes at similar rates to Bifen IT for comparable uses, but because it is oil-based, always add any compatibility agents only after checking the label and maintain continuous agitation to prevent settling. Always convert label rates into total ounces for your planned tank volume before measuring so you do not underdose or overdose when filling larger or smaller tanks. Recalibrate nozzle output in gallons per minute and walk speed so your applied rate in ounces per acre matches the label, and rinse and flush the sprayer thoroughly between products to avoid cross-contamination. Keep a written mixing log noting product name, rate, water volume, date, and target pest for repeatable accuracy and legal compliance. Common mistakes include misreading the label and using an incorrect rate, which wastes product or fails to control pests. Fix this by taking a moment to read the label dosing table and doing the math for your tank volume before mixing. Another issue is inadequate agitation leading to uneven distribution and poor control. Make sure the B&G sprayer pump and internal agitator are functioning. Fill the tank partially before adding concentrate and maintain agitation while spraying. Compatibility and cross-contamination problems occur when residues of one product interact with the next. Avoid this by triple rinsing the tank and hoses, running a tank cleaning solution through the system when switching chemistries, and rinsing again with clean water. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners looking for pest control and other home services with local contractors and provides a place where contractors can find project leads and grow their business. We host a discussion community so users can ask questions, share experiences, and get practical advice on product mixes, application technique, and contractor selection.